What's going on, YouTube? This is Kurt Carter. I'm welcoming you back to my channel. If this is your first time here on welcome to my channel. I hope that you'll enjoy the content that I have for you. Well, in today's video, I want to take you to the Gulfport, Mississippi bike rally that they had. It wasn't as big as I was expecting it to be. After talking to a couple of people down there, it was kind of an off year, and they were saying it may be due to the COVID. So it's going to be a very short video. They had a couple of vendors there. They had a few bikes there that you'll see, and also they had a little bit of a drag racing going on. I didn't stay very long, like I said, because there just wasn't really that much going on, but the highlight of the video is going to be toward the end when I see the Boss Hog for the very first time. So I'll see you whenever I get to the Boss Hog.
Next two up, got Hollis Grayson out of Scott, Louisiana. Right lane, Jonathan Grayson out of Raceland, Louisiana.
So YouTube, I just ran across the Boss Hog for the first time. Tell me about the bike.
350 small block engine, 355 horsepower.
Wow.
Pretty much all stock. It's dirty.
I'm good. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'll pass. What year is it?
2000.
2000? I got you.
21 years old.
That thing nice.
It's got a 2-speed transmission with neutral and reverse. You can run first gear up to 100 miles an hour without no problem. Four barrel Edelbrock 750 CFM carburetor.
Jeez.
Two 25, 75, 15 car tires.
Dang. I appreciate you telling me about it. Alright YouTube, like I said, that Boss Hog was something else. That was my very first time to ever see the Boss Hog in person. I've seen it a couple times, you know, on YouTube and searching around the internet, but I almost took the guy up on his offer to ride the bike, but I was gonna really hate it if I was to wreck it, so that's the reason why I didn't want to do it. But if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think I may need to change, or give me some suggestions on what you'd like to see in the videos. So I would also very much appreciate it if you'll share this with a couple of your friends, as it would help me out a good bit. And I guess until the next video, I will see you then.